Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video on quick stops or rapid decelerations as they're sometimes called. So this is another maneuver that's required for your check rides, and you might say, what's the whole point of this maneuver? As a practical matter, I know very few people that have ever had to use a quick stop when they were air taxiing around the airport, but it is a good skill builder. It helps you learn to coordinate the different controls, and it does somewhat help in your learning and how to perform something like a flare for auto rotation. So those are some reasons that you might want to practice these. Well, if it's on your test, it's on your test. So that's a reason. So how do you perform this? Well, as you can see from the diagram from the helicopter flying handbook, you want to enter this. You're doing an air taxi, and you should have a decent altitude, 25 to 40 feet is pretty typical, what people would say. And you want to be going a decent speed, often around 40-45 knots or so. So you're going to suddenly try to stop. So what are you going to do? You're going to pull aft on the cyclic in order to decelerate. Simultaneously, you're going to have to drop the collective in a coordinated manner so that you don't balloon. Right, so you want to drop just enough collective so that you can maintain your altitude and not so much that you start to descend right away. So you want to get down to pretty near zero speed. I mean, you don't necessarily want to be exactly at zero, kind of right on that edge of ETL is often what you're looking for. And then once you get there, then you start leveling the helicopter, and then it will descend very steeply down to the surface. And often we terminate this in a hover. You could terminate this in a hover, or you could actually touch down. Where do we do this? Typically we do this over a runway or an open area. Why do we do it that way? Well, we don't want to land anything bad should this not go well for us. Okay, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and try to fly this a little bit. Some taxi over here. Speed. Some speed. 3, 2, 1. Drop the collective a little bit. Get to that stopping point and then push it forward. Leveling the aircraft. Steep descent.